Oh, I have to check my phone.
I have to check my phone too.
Warning. Emergency alert. Earthquake warning remains in 2 minutes now. Take shelter immediately in a basement, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. If you are outdoors in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Check media.
Oh no, an earthquake begins in 2 minutes.
Yeah, I know.
Hurry, we have to wake up Tito.
Oh, what a nice. What? Why is there an alert on my phone?
Emergency alert. Earthquake warning.
Wait, let me check on the news.
Welcome to Breaking News. My name is Samir.
And I'm Jessica.
And today, we are having an earthquake warning.
Yeah, you gotta to do something.
So, you have to hide on tables.
Yeah, today is June 10th, 2022.
I don't know why.
Emergency alert system. Earthquake warning begins in 2 minutes.
What? What happened to the TV? Oh no, it's an earthquake. I have to run out of my room.
Hey babe, it's a good. Huh? What just happened?
I don't know, Monica.
What? There's an earthquake alert on my phone.
Wait, let me see. Oh my god, we have to hide in the basement.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, there's an elevator in our house. We can go in the basement.
Okay, yeah, this is the elevator. Our room number on the basement is 45.
Okay, I'll put number 45 quickly.
Oh, and the elevator is closing.
Let's go.
Wait, there's 1 minute left. Oh no, those 60 seconds.
Oh no.
Oh, here's number 45. This is our basement.
So let's go.
Okay, we're here at the basement.
Okay, Matthew.
Wait, this earthquake is getting loud.
I think the earthquake is remaining.
Oh, there's 33 seconds.
Wait, what?
I think this earthquake is happening right now. Now it's 27 seconds.
Don't worry, we're going to be fine.
Okay, if this earthquake happens again, it's going to shake our house. Oh, and now there's 19 seconds.
Oh no, it's almost 0 seconds.
Hey guys, we're in another world right now because Plotagon got shut down. Because there was an earthquake in Plotagon. So that's why we're in another world. Yeah, we're in real life right now. We're not in Plotagon anymore. Yep. So that's why I got it. And goodbye guys.